Good morning, good morning. Happy Wednesday. Well, it is time for day 3 of our summer kit camp. And today we're going to do a fun kit. This is a bit different of a kit. It's called Kindness Cards. And this is one of our kits that's on sale for 30% off right now. So all of our kits are on sale, and this one is, I think, an overlooked one that I totally love. So it comes with all of these fun supplies to make these kindness cards, which you can hand out. Comes with these cute little envelopes. They also make great tags. They're about 3x3 size, and they're thick. So people will save these, and you can really brighten someone's day. They also make really cute tags for a gift, or even just a little fun something to surprise someone with. So let's get started. In here comes all of these cards. It comes with the die cuts that already have adhesive on the back. So they're kind of like stickers. Hey Ty, hey Brenda. Comes with a set of stamps. So kindness wins. You are so amazing. Your smile makes the world a brighter place. You made my day. Shine like the stars. Have a great day. So these are just some great inspirational word stamps. Comes with a cute tin. Comes with, of course, your block, a basic gray ink spot, an adhesive that you can decorate your tin with, and of course the envelopes and all kinds of fun. So let's get started. Remember, it comes with the instructions, and of course, like always, there's a QR code that you can watch the video on how to create these. I agree, Brenda. I love these easy card kits as well. Something fun too about all our instruction sheets, there is a ruler on the side of each one. So that's a little fun extra too. Okay, so there are, let's see, 5 different cards that we can create, these little kindness cards. So we will start with number 1. So number 1, we've got our instructions here, and these are so easy peasy, which is what I really love. Like Stephanie said on yesterday's video, we don't have to think, right, to create. So that's what makes these nice. So we're going to use our Kindness Wins, You Are So Amazing stamp. So we'll just put that right onto our block. I'm going to ink it up in our basic gray. And we're going to use this fun card. Pink on one side, kind of pinky coral color on one side, and then it's got this great design already on the other. And so we will just go ahead and ink up our image here. Just lightly tap it. Center that in the middle. Hold it for a second and bring that right up. So no act of kindness is ever wasted. Kindness wins. You are so amazing. No act of kindness is ever wasted. So what a great way to make someone's day, right? Hi, Kathy. Yes, Brenda, they come with an ink spot. So they come with a small ink pad. I'm using the regular size here because I love to give away the little ink spots to you guys. Okay, so step number 2, we're going to bring in our adhesive sentiment strips here. We're going to switch our stamps. So what I love about our stamps is they just remove real easy when you're done. I'll clean that afterwards. And then you can put the next one on. So no having to store all those wood blocks anymore, right? Okay, and so the other stamp that we're using is Kind People Are My Kind of People. That's cute, huh? So to put these on, I like them to be straight. So I love to use my grid paper for that. So I just kind of line it up on the grid paper and then take my block, and then I know it's straight. So we will ink this up, and we're gonna stamp this one onto our yellow here. Hold it down, and pull that right up. And what's great about these is no adhesive necessary because these come sticky. So we'll just pull that off, and it's gonna have us flip this over. So the second part of our instructions here is to just flip it over. And on the decorative side, we're just gonna mount this right in the middle and press it right down. So kind people are my kind of people. And then we've got our kindness wins. So you can use these with the envelope. They just fit right in. And this is like a little keepsake. It's something that they will keep to remind them that A, you're thinking of them, B, that they matter, and who doesn't need that kind of message, right? So we're not gonna do all these today since there's 9 different versions, but I really wanted to show you how fun these were. I think it's an overlooked kit. So there's shine like the stars, have a great day. There's a thank you, inspired by your kindness. Your smile makes the world a brighter place. Kind people are my kind of people. The one we just did, kindness wins. You made my day, and pass it on. So they are absolutely so cute, so versatile, such a great way to make someone's day. So make sure you tune in. Tomorrow I'll have another fun kit for you. I know so many of you are already shopping the great kit sale. Up to 30% off. Every single one of our kits is on sale right now. So you don't want to miss these kits because many of them will sell out because they're such a great deal. Yesterday's kit was like 11 bucks. And so, I mean, what great ways to stock up on stocking stuffers and all kinds of things for the upcoming gifting season and get them on a deal, right? Well, happy Wednesday. I will see you tomorrow.